Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom mix veg. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of mushrooms, 1 bell pepper, 1 carrot, and 5 cups of peas. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 medium chopped onion, and 2 chopped tomatoes. Don't forget your essential spices for flavor. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and translucent. Then, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and release their juices. Now it's time for the stars of our dish. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pan and cook them until they release their water and start to brown slightly. Then, stir in your spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 5 teaspoons of red chili powder for a gentle kick. Mix everything well to coat the vegetables evenly. To finish, add the remaining vegetables like the bell pepper, carrots, and peas, along with 5 cups of water. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Once cooked, garnish with fresh cilantro. Your delicious mushroom mix veg is ready to be served hot with rice or your favorite Indian bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.